How to hide your profile on Facebook. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, at the top right corner you will find the settings icon. Click on it. With that, you will land to the settings and privacy page. Over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under audience and visibility, you will find the option of how people can find and contact you. Open this option. Now from this page you can easily hide your profile. At the very first, you will find this option, who can send you friend request. Click on that drop down and set it to friends of friends or only me. Likewise, who can see your friend list. Click on that drop down and set it to only me. For the next option, who can look you up using the email address you provided. Click on that drop down and set it to only me. Who can look you up by using the phone number you provided. Click on that drop down and set it to only me. Likewise, toggle off for this option. Allow search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile. Once you customize all these settings, you will be good to go. This is how you can easily hide your profile on Facebook. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.